Hello guys, welcome to frequeñtly channel. So today I've come up with this opportunity, an earning opportunity whereby you'll be earning money every day, 12% for 18 days. So the website is called NetPay. NetPay, it earns up to 12% daily earnings. Instant withdrawals and payments are in all accounts regularly. So about this company, you can come to their website. The link will be in the description of this video, and you can read through. So this is a Ugandan based international cryptocurrency consulting agency that specializes primarily in cryptocurrency trading, Bitcoin mining, debit and anti-crisis management. So you can read through and understand well the ambitions and goals of the company. You can on the website. So for me, I'm using a web website. I'm not using the phone version, but there is also the mobile version. You can see it on your mobile phone. So you can come here and read through. It is optimized speed and quality, ethical investment, instant withdrawals, professional data analysis, risk management. You can get customer support 24/7. So that's how it looks. So if you haven't registered, when you use the link, it will bring you to this page. On this page, you'll have to fill in your full names here, the username. So that is my username, your email, and your country. So it is supported in 3 countries: Kenya, Rwanda, and then Uganda. And after there, you enter your mobile number, then the 2 passwords. So as simple as that. So if you haven't registered, you can check in the description of this video. You'll find the link to use to register on this website. So let us log in, because we already have an account with this company or website. So that is it. Let me log in. So that is it. So far I had invested that is, you can see this is my balance, 28,320 shillings. My investment is 8,500. I haven't withdrawn any money yet, and for bonuses is 27,300 shillings. So here you can come here and see my last deposit is 8,500, and the withdrawals I don't have any. So my last payment, that is the money I was paid for my investment, that is 1,020 shillings. So when you want to invest, if you have invested, you can come to this section. You can use mobile money or use your balance. So I can use my balance, but since this video is for experiment, I'm going to withdraw this balance to see whether this website really pays. So you can withdraw from here, and it shows you make a withdraw, put the amount here and the phone number which you used for registering. And so then here you can get your team, and that is my team. This is my team. These are people I invited to the website, so they can show you who has invested and who hasn't invested. So I have some people who have already invested and others who have not yet done what? Who have not yet invested. So is this transaction log. The transaction log, you can check your earnings. So when you check your earnings, you can see here, all types of earnings. Then you can see here from level 2 bonus from this person and 3,000. From level 1 of this weekend I earned 1,600 from the investment, return of investment, and I earned 1,020 shillings, and so on and so forth. So you can come here also on investments. So this is my successful investment I made yesterday on Tuesday 28th, and so far I've been on the website for 1 day. So even withdrawals, you can find your withdrawals here. So I have no successful withdrawal. Then you can sign out or message the website on WhatsApp. You can use this icon. So let us go to the main point, which most people always ask themselves, do these websites really pay or not? So I'm going to come here and I'm going to withdraw this money. Okay, so I have to set up my phone to record also, so that the money can come in real time. So it's going to, the time right now is 8:59. So I will be so guys, I'm going to put in the amount of money I'm going to withdraw. So I'm going to withdraw 25,000 shillings. 25,000 shillings. So 25,000 shillings, that's the number, and then I will submit from here. So let me first set up my phone to be recording while the message is also coming, so that we capture all the stuff. Okay, so let me submit, and it's processing. So they have brought me a message here: you have withdrawn 25,000 shillings. It's successful. So it has popped up. So you can see on my cash deposit of 25,000 shillings with agent. So that is it, and here they have sent me, and so that is, so it pays. This is the mobile money deposit on, the time is 21:03. That is the time which I have. Then it is the same, 21:02, and that is 9:02 p.m. So guys, the website really pays. So let me check back to my dashboard. And on my dashboard I have remained with 800. So that is it. Remaining with the balance of 820 Ugandan shillings. So tomorrow I'll be I will be earning from the investment. Here they will be adding. So after like a week I will come back and show you what has happened to my account. So that is it guys. So if you need to invest with this website, you can check in the description link. the description of this video, I'm going to be posting there a link which you'll use to invest and earn. You can also invest more with the referrals. You can refer your friends, WhatsApp group, Facebook, and others. So that is it, guys. So catch you up in the next video. Thank you for watching Action TV.